Today I made this and I'm going to show you how it works. So first you can use it as a shield or you can fire these things. So let's go for the middle one. Aim and just boom. Now you still got two more left. So now let's do this one. Boom. Aim and just click and shoots. Now you got one more left. This one you just have to push down. Aim. And bam. So now you still got the shield that you can like use, you know. Captain American, watch this, ready? It doesn't bounce, but I'll figure it out. I should make one that bounces and comes back. That sounds good. Cool. I'll think about that. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.